This video is a quick tour of the menus in Music One LE. The software first opens to an empty window. You then go to the function that you want to work with. Under the File menu, we see Compact Database and Create New Copy. Both of these commands launch some internal housekeeping related to the database structure. You don't need to use these very often, maybe once a year. The Import command allows song data to be imported from either another Music One library or from a text file. The View menu takes you to your music logs, where previously saved log files are found, and where you launch and schedule each new playlist. Categories opens the library files, where you do your work with all of your units in your total library, all of the songs and all of the non-music items. Tracks launches a search window, where you can quickly find and edit both song cards and the cards from your non-music units, like liners, voice tracks, jingles, and bumpers. Artists shows you a list of all of your artists. There, you can set your preferred separations, telling Music One how to separate songs by the same artist, and a couple of other artist controls. Under Reports, you'll be able to define any kind of report you may need. Reports can be printed to paper or exported to text files, which can then be imported into other software. Under the Formats menu, Clocks is where you create your hour clocks and set the formatting rules for them. Day Formats is where you assign your format clocks to the hours in the day where each clock is to be used. Default Day Formats is where the clock lineup to be used on each day of the week is to be assigned. Day Parts is where you define and divide your broadcast day into specific time segments. Then you can more efficiently restrict the scheduling of certain songs at certain times of the day. The Options menu lets you jump into system parameters, where passwords and sound codes are set, and where other things like automation interfaces can be clicked in. The CD player window is used by the few stations who use CD jukeboxes instead of music on hard drive. There, a program director can make some settings needed to properly handle separations and segs for songs that might be on the same CD. The Access Code window is where you enter your registration codes for Music One, and the Custom window has a few rarely used but sometimes very handy system commands.